Hello. In this video, we are going to show you how to access streaming video files that you have purchased. First, we need to log in to your account. To log in, click the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. You will be brought to the login page. Enter in your username and password and click Login. Now you are in the My Account section of the site. You can always access this area by clicking on the My Account link underneath Contact Us. If you recently purchased videos and you'd like to view them, they will be underneath the My Videos subheading on the right-hand column of the screen. If you're using a smaller screen, such as a phone or a tablet, those links may be underneath at the bottom of the screen. Regardless, once you click on the links for the videos that you purchased underneath My Videos, you'll be brought to a page where you can now view the videos. In this case, I have purchased the 14 seminar home study course. All the videos are listed on the right underneath the 14 seminar home study course heading, and they are also listed below here, broken up into the various sections as novice seminars, intermediate seminars, and advanced seminars. To view a particular webinar, click on the link and you will be directed to the video. Click the play button to begin the video, and if you'd like, you can click the full screen button in the bottom right to go into full screen mode. Press escape to exit.